Hey everyone, welcome to our video on how to start a Polaris four-wheeler. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner, it's important to know all the ways to start your ATV. In this video, we'll be discussing 4 different ways to start a Polaris four-wheeler. Method 1. With a key or switch. The easiest and most common method is using a key or switch. Simply insert the key in the lock or turn on the switch near the handle to start the engine. For some models, you may need to start the vehicle while holding the brake. Method 2. With a choke. If the engine is cold, using a choke can be helpful. The choke allows air to enter the fuel and enriches the fuel to start the engine. Make sure the battery is charged and the fuel tank is full, then turn on the kill switch and fuel valve. Turn on the key and activate the choke, and then start the engine. Remember to turn off the choke once the engine is warm. Method 3. Without a key. If you've lost or forgotten your key, don't worry. There are still ways to start your Polaris four-wheeler. You can disconnect the ignition switch from the engine in models with pull start capabilities, or you can use a screwdriver to start the engine. Method 4. With a backup key or ignition switch. For safety, it's always a good idea to have a backup key or ignition switch. You can use a separate ignition switch as a backup or make an exact copy of your key. And that's it. Those are the 4 different ways to start a Polaris four-wheeler. Remember, if you're ever in doubt, consult the owner's manual or contact the Polaris agency. Thanks for watching.